Hello guys, so we have just a little bit discussed in the previous lectures some of the terms. Now I will again give a short introduction to the shipping plan. That what is shipping plan? It is basically just telling Amazon what you are going to send to Amazon warehouse. Most of the people get confused. They think that if I am making shipping plan, so it's like Amazon will get responsible and Amazon will take responsibility to pick up my goods from wherever they are, and they will just ship all of those goods to their own warehouse. So it's just a useless and wrong concept, right? Shipping plan is just telling Amazon that what you are going to send, and while the shipping plan, Amazon will tell you that where you have to ship your inventory. Amazon will give you the address, ship to address, and Amazon will give you some labels that Amazon should identify your goods when they arrive at Amazon warehouse. So because you are not there physically to tell the Amazon team of FBA that these are your goods, or so for identifying your goods from other sellers, and so that they should take care of your goods, you should be pasting the labels on those. And it's just a concept I'm giving you, that it's just telling Amazon that what you are sending to Amazon, and Amazon will tell you that where you have to send and how you have to send those products, right? If they need prep, so Amazon will let you know that these products have some special prep, so you will be doing prep and for those products. All right, let's move on. We'll be discussing all of these points practically as well. There are two type of packs, right? You should be aware of these terminologies: case pack and individual, and we'll be watching these, discussing about these as well in the next lectures. SPD and LTL, I have a little bit given a touch to these two as well. So SPD is small parcel delivery and LTL is less than truckload. And partner carrier and non-partner carrier. Partner carrier is basically the UPS with which Amazon has partnered, and they are, in most of the cases, they pick up the inventory of the Amazon sellers. But even if you have selected the partner carrier, you should not think that Amazon will take the responsibility and they will tell the UPS or with whomever they have partnered that they should take your inventory from that location and bring it to the Amazon warehouse. No, even if you choose partner carrier, you still need to tell the UPS. You should visit their website and you should schedule a parcel. Right, you will schedule a parcel on the UPS website, and you will tell the UPS team that they should pick that parcel from this location and take it to the Amazon warehouse. But in case of partner carrier, you do not need to tell the partner carrier that where you have to take those goods to Amazon warehouse, because it's already they have a system and they know that where they need to take your goods. And as well, in partner carrier, Amazon deduct the charges for that UPS shipping services inside the seller central while you create shipping plan. All right, so in partner carrier, Amazon will deduct the charges inside the shipping plan, and in non-partner carrier, Amazon do not deduct the charges for shipping because it's something outside the Amazon system, right?